Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll dive deeper into the heart of Pandesal, how it's made, why it tastes so unique, and the modern flavors that keep it evolving while honoring tradition. The secret coating, why breadcrumbs are essential. The defining visual characteristic of Pandesal is its dusting of fine breadcrumbs. Without them, it's just a sweet roll, not Pandesal. This coating is applied right before baking. The breadcrumbs used are usually very fine, toasted breadcrumbs that adhere readily to the surface of the shaped dough. Why the crumbs matter? Texture. When the bread bakes, the surface crumbs crisp up slightly, providing a delicate textural contrast to the soft interior. Appearance. They give the finished roll a recognizable, golden brown hue and a slightly rustic look. Handling. The crumbs make the fresh, soft rolls easier to separate and handle right out of the oven. This slightly rough, crispy exterior is what makes biting into a fresh Pandesal such a satisfying experience. From loaf to roll, how Pandesal gets its signature shape. Pandesal is not shaped like a standard round dinner roll. It follows a specific process to achieve its elongated, football-like appearance. The baker first prepares the dough and allows it to rise. Once risen, the dough is gently flattened and carefully rolled into long, uniform cylinders, sometimes referred to as logs. These logs are then rolled in the breadcrumbs, ensuring the coating is even across the surface. Finally, the long, crumb-covered log is sliced into individual, evenly sized pieces. The individual pieces maintain a slight cylinder shape. After slicing, these pieces are placed on baking sheets for a final, short proofing period before heading into the hot oven. This method of slicing the log, rather than hand-shaping individual rounds, contributes significantly to the unique, elongated shape of the finished bread. Beyond breakfast, creative ways to enjoy Pandesal. While Pandesal's primary role is at the breakfast table, its simple, adaptable flavor makes it an excellent canvas for various fillings and pairings throughout the day. Its mild sweetness pairs well with both sweet and savory elements. The classic pairings, coffee and hot chocolate. The most traditional way to enjoy Pandesal is by dipping it. Filipinos often pair the roll with the morning drink, transforming the experience into a comforting ritual. Hot coffee, cape. A strong, often sweetened coffee is the go-to partner. Dipping the bread roll quickly into hot coffee softens the Pandesal slightly, allowing it to soak up the dark, aromatic liquid. Thick hot chocolate, chocolate. Made from local cacao tablets, chocolate is thick, rich, and sweet. Dipped Pandesal absorbs this velvety texture, creating a wonderful mix of textures and deep chocolate flavor. This pairing speaks to simplicity and comfort. Filipino spreads and fillings, what works best? Since Pandesal is soft and easy to tear open, it serves as an excellent vehicle for spreads. These vary widely depending on personal preference and what is available in the pantry. Popular classic additions include spread with ample butter or margarine, topped with thick, sweet coconut jam, cocoa jam, slathered with smooth or crunchy peanut butter. A slice of familiar processed cheese, often the salty, slightly sharp canned variety, complements the bread's sweetness perfectly. Simply dipped in sweet, highly caloric condensed milk. The rolls are also commonly used as a light sandwich for savory items like fried eggs, corned beef, or even sardines in tomato sauce. It holds up well enough to be stuffed, but its delicate nature prevents it from feeling heavy. New twists on an old favorite, ube and cheese Pandesal. Baking traditions often adapt, and Pandesal is no exception. In recent years, variations have exploded in popularity, appealing to modern tastes and food trends. The most famous contemporary twists involve fillings. Ube Pandesal. This stunning purple bread incorporates ube, purple yam into the dough, giving it a vibrant color and subtle earthy flavor. It is often filled with a sweet, melted cheese filling or ube halaya, ube jam, making it richer and much more dessert-like than the classic roll. Cheese Pandesal. While simple cheese slices are traditional, this variation features a sweet, slightly gooey cream cheese or cheddar blend baked right into the center of the roll. These modern versions usually emphasize sweetness, moving further away from the original plain salt bread concept. These inventive additions show that Pandesal continues to evolve while maintaining its fundamental soft, comforting structure. Pandesal is more than just flour and yeast. It represents the warmth of the Filipino home and the simple pleasures of a shared breakfast. It connects history with daily life, acting as a soft, reassuring constant in a busy world. Whether you enjoy it dipped in hot coffee or stuffed with sweet ube, seeking out authentic Pandesal is one of the best ways to experience a taste of Filipino heritage. Try making a batch yourself and enjoy the familiar comfort of this beloved bread in this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.